Nearly 1 million Russian soldiers lost. Here's the cold, hard reality of the war in Ukraine. Since the full-scale invasion began in February 2022, Ukrainian officials report Russian losses have reached nearly 1 million personnel, 997,120 to be exact. That's over 3 years of relentless fighting, with almost 1,000 more casualties reported in just the last 24 hours. But it's not only lives lost. The war's toll on equipment is massive. Over 10,900 Russian tanks destroyed, alongside 22,700 armored vehicles and nearly 29,000 artillery systems. More than 39,000 drones shot down, 414 aircraft and 337 helicopters lost. And the destruction doesn't stop there. Russia has lost over 51,000 vehicles and fuel tanks, 1,400 rocket systems, and more than 1,100 anti-aircraft weapons. Even warships and submarines are not spared. 28 sunken, 1 submarine destroyed. This conflict has now lasted 1,202 days, leaving devastation on a scale Europe hasn't witnessed in decades. That's the hard truth by the numbers.